In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the trend line, equation and R-square value in your graph. Suppose we have data set here with the x-axis value and the y-axis value. So first we have to make the graph from that. So we will select entire data set. We will go into the insert. Then we will click XY scattered chart. Then we will click the first option. So it will give you the our XY scattered graph. Then we will select each point and it will highlight the points. Then we will click the right click. It will give the option of Add Trend Line. So we will select this one. So here it will open up the new window, Format Trend Lines. Here you can choose the trading options like whether it is following exponential, linear, logarithmic, polynomial, power or the moving average. In the last section you can see set intercept, display equation on chart, display R-square value on the chart. So we will select display equation on the chart and display R-square value. So this will display the equation for this line and the R-square value, right? I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.